The question presented before us is, hi, I'm a researcher, I need to participate in a conference, what kind of visa should I apply for? And the straight answer for these short duration type events, if it's an event or a conference or some kind of business meeting, and then again on the tourist side, if you're going for a short period of time, less than 6 months typically, the correct visa type is just a general tourist visa. And so you have two types, B1, B2 visas, and so you have one for business and one for pleasure, and so a conference would fall under the a business visa, temporary business visa category. And so that's what you should apply for. Thank you. The next question presented before us is, I have a business meeting in the US, what visa should I apply for? And assuming the business meeting is a few days or anything less than 6 months, we would suggest you get a B1 business visitor visa. The next question is, I am an entrepreneur, and so I'm looking to develop a product in the United States. What type of visa should I get? So there are a couple of different visas here, and that depends a lot on the type of entity that you're looking to construct or invest in. So if your investment is, a large one, for example, over $1 million, you're looking at a very, it's the EB5 visa type. And so that actually doesn't give you a visa, that actually gives you a green card. And so if you have $1 million and you can put it to work and generate, 10 or more jobs, you can get a green card. And then alternatively, you can put $500,000 in a kind of a depressed in an economically depressed area. You might be able to get the same amount. Again, that's the EB5 visa. On the flip side, if you have less money invested, there's a startup, or you want to start some kind of company in the United States, maybe you want to bring a new product to the US, and this is a new entity that you're taking risk on. For that purpose, you have the E2 Treaty Investor Visa. That's a very good visa, and it's a quick visa too. So you can do premium processing for a couple of weeks, and then you can do regular processing. It's about 3-4 months depending on the consulate. So for an entrepreneur, think E-Entrepreneur E2 visa. Okay, and if you need help with any of these, contact us. You can see the information in the description below. Thank you.